Either this is one nasty bird or somebody threw an ice cream cone. Chocolate covered ice cream cone at my frickin' car here. Here's my finger, so it's pretty big. I got drip down here. So anyway, I've been testing some new concoctions. I've got some Uber SIO2, which is a little bit blue. So it's 32 ounces, 1 to 128. And there's nothing on the label for waterless wash, but I'm using 1 to 128. And then I put 2/3 of an ounce of, 2/3 of an ounce bead maker in here. So I've been testing it. I used 1/3 of an ounce. Now I bumped it up. Anyway, let's try it out. Drop this thing one-handed here. There we go. I'll soak it really good. You see a little bit's dripping. So it looks like this will work as a detail spray, like it should. Okay. I'll wipe it off. There we go. A little bit right there. All right, so I'll turn it around and just kind of wipe the wrist. Yeah, I got so many rinseless washes now. I keep buying the gallon. Got a gallon of Bead Maker, a gallon of Tech 582. It's so much cheaper to buy the gallon. I just took a load to the hazardous drop-off household. It's once a month near me. I'm sure I'll have to take some of this stuff back over there if I don't use it in the next few years. Looks good. Nice and slick. Good to go.